quick question. I was trying to see if anybody would know how to remove the cylinder head. I'm trying to get down there so that I can check them out and possibly unseize this engine. I've been trying to get it off with oh shit, some of these spline sockets. So far I've tried a 1/2 and then 7/16, and the 7/16 actually did fit on there. Oh wait, no, that was the one that didn't fit on there at all. It's too small. But the 1/2 literally goes right over it. And it feels like it's ready to go, but when I turn it, it's stripping the bolt. And this is the same exact print, so I don't know why it's not working.